Per the instructions, you're going to apply a medium amount, like not too heavy but not too light, across the entire beard, and then leave it on there for 10 or 15 minutes, and then rinse it out, and then just apply a little bit of oil and go from there. So let's go ahead and dive on in. I want to show you this. And the first ingredient, when you read the ingredients, is literally Dead Sea mineral mud. So I don't know what's supposed to be so magical about the Dead Sea or the minerals or the mud found in the Dead Sea, but supposedly it's awesome. So I'm not making fun. You know, I've heard that. I know lots of products are made out of this stuff, but anyway, zoom in here, Pam, and take a look at this. It's literally a muddy stuff. It's also got like shea butter and a bunch of really good oils and stuff like that. So let's get messy, which it is, and it feels muddy. So I know when I unboxed this, I did a video of the unboxing, I had somebody comment, they're like, I wonder if that's going to stain your silver beard. And I don't know, but it did splatter a little bit all over my counter just now. So that's fun. So be careful, it will splatter around a little bit, I guess. But trying to work it in real deep to all the areas underneath, close to the skin, and all the superficial parts. So I've got a pretty dang silver beard, and this is making it pretty green gray looking. So I'd say that's about a medium amount. Okay guys, here is application number 2 of the Beard Struggles Viking C Mineral Beard Mask. All right, 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm not going to show you the after results. I'm just going to use this a few times as a second application. We'll do 3 and 4, and at the end of this multi-week period, I'll give the review. Okay guys, so here's my final thoughts on the Beard Struggles Viking C Mineral Beard Mask. I used it about 4 times, only videoed it 3 times, but used it 4 times over the space of a few weeks. And what I can say is that I didn't really find that it did anything to soften the beard. I think the other products that you use on your beard do a good job of that. Your beard oils, your beard balms, washing your beard, taking good care of it, and all that kind of stuff. Plus, you know, you're keeping your body healthy, nutrition, and all that. What I will tell you though is, and I think I talked about this on the very first time, the preview video that I did a few weeks ago on this, is without question, when you put this on your beard and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, just like the instructions, and then go to rinse it out, as soon as you're done, I mean, before you're even out of the shower, your beard is going to feel a lot thicker. Okay, so I don't know if the mechanism there is that all the minerals that are in here, that are in Dead Sea mud magic stuff, I don't know if that is bringing more moisture into the hairs. So I don't know the exact mechanism behind it, but if you want your beard to feel thicker and fuller, give it a shot. I mean, I'm not kidding when I tell you it literally feels, and it handles thicker. I got out of the shower, I just did this for the 4th time today, got out of the shower, went to style it, and combing it and everything, it just feels a lot fuller. So if that's something that you kind of struggle with, that you wish that everything was just a little bit thicker, fuller, more body to your beard, without question, you should definitely give this a try. So like I said, I don't know that it did anything to soften it. I don't know if that's the design for it, and as far as like, does it make it healthier? I don't know. I'm not going to send the beard hairs off to a lab to get them analyzed or anything like that. But I definitely like it. It's got a pretty good scent, and to be honest, because of the way the results that I've gotten this from my beard, Pam, who is behind the camera, she is probably going to do a video review about this using it on her hair, because the way I've been talking about it, she's like, well, I'm just going to use that on my hair to make it feel a little bit thicker and fuller. So anyway, I definitely recommend it. And here's the other cool thing about it. Like I said, I've used it 4 times. And it is still, I'm not going to tip it over because it'll run out, but I mean, I've barely even scratched the surface. I've used it 4 times with a pretty good amount on the beard, and I probably still have, you know, at least 2/3 of the content of this jar. So it's going to last a while. So anyway, that's my final thoughts. I definitely think you should give it a shot, especially if you want to give the beard a little bit more body, a little bit more fullness. So check it out.